As many of you are well aware, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 is likely to be released in the first quarter of 2024. However, whether that is true or not, details regarding these devices continue to surface, and we can now talk about their heavy focus on artificial intelligence. According to the leaker Ice Universe, this new line of phones will arrive with One UI 6.1 out of the box, which leads us to believe that these devices will have several innovations based on artificial intelligence. As a result, the future Samsung Galaxy S24 series is likely to have the most important AI improvement in the Korean company's history. Indeed, speculations say that the modifications will be considerable, altering the operation of the company's next devices. If all of this information is correct, AI will be one of the new Samsung Galaxy S24's primary selling factors. On the other hand, it would be fascinating to watch how these devices perform with One UI 6.1. To clarify, One UI 6 is currently in the beta testing phase and was just made available for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. There is presently no stable release date, but there is already talk about its future version, which will be driven by AI and incorporated into the system. Although little details have been revealed, the claimed leaker has stated that the advancements brought by AI would be significantly superior than Bixby. As previously reported, Google used its Pixel 8 series launch event to unveil a version of the assistant powered by Bard. The company claimed that they will be testing the super-powered assistant shortly, and the list of compatible devices seems to be rather small. 9to5 Google researched into a better version of the Google app, revealing signs that the Google Pixel 8 series and the future Samsung Galaxy S24 series would be the first devices to feature Assistant with Bard. However, the source spotted references to upcoming compatibility for earlier Tensor-powered Pixel phones, Pixel 6 and newer, as well as the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. It's unclear why Google is primarily targeting these latest devices, but we might infer that the company is using the more powerful as silicon for Assistant with Bard. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.